Discover the Neha henna cones, your perfect partner for stunning and intricate henna designs. Each pack contains 12 ready-to-use cones made with fresh herbal henna, cloves, and natural oils, ensuring rich, dark, and long-lasting stains. Ideal for hands, feet, and festivals, these easy-to-apply cones deliver smooth application every time. Whether you're creating beautiful mehendi or trendy freckles, Neha henna cones are safe and perfect for all skin types. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the magic of Karamjot Henna, a premium henna paste that gives you rich dark brown color for stunning, long-lasting mehendi designs. Perfect for traditional ceremonies, festive celebrations like Eid and Diwali, weddings, or everyday body art. This high-quality henna is easy to use and creates beautiful, intricate patterns that make every occasion special. Elevate your mehendi experience with Karamjot Henna and create memories that last. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the magic of ARTECLIPSE Shagun Mehndi, the perfect choice for creating stunning, natural Mehndi designs at home. Made from 100% pure and organic henna leaves, it provides a rich, dark, and long-lasting mahogany stain. The easy-to-squeeze cone and precision tip make applying intricate patterns simple and fun, whether you're a beginner or a professional. Free from harmful chemicals, it is safe for all skin types and ideal for celebrations like weddings and festivals. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the natural beauty of Shahi henna paste made from 100% herbal henna leaves with no chemicals or artificial additives. This ready-to-use, smooth, and consistent henna cone is perfect for creating stunning mehendi designs or coloring your hair. It dries quickly, lasts long, and is ideal for special occasions like festivals, weddings, and celebrations. Easy to apply and mess-free, it brings vibrant, rich stains every time. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the new fashion house Dulhan Mehndi, the perfect choice for stunning and safe mehendi applications. Watch the beautiful stain progression as the color darkens naturally over time, all without using any chemicals or dyes. Safe for all age groups, this mehendi can be applied comfortably by both men and women on any part of the body. Easy to use, store, and eco-friendly with recycled packaging. Elevate your mehendi experience today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the beauty of Dulhan Mehndi, a natural and safe way to adorn your skin with stunning henna designs. Our Mehndi features amazing stain progression, gradually darkening to reveal rich, vibrant colors that last. Made with no chemicals or dyes, it's gentle and completely safe for both children and adults, suitable for any part of the body, easy to use, eco-friendly, and crafted with care for over 15 years. Elevate your Mehndi experience today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the natural beauty of your hair with HenneColor Henna. Made from pure Lawsonia and Nermis leaf extract with sodium picromate, this henna offers a safe, herbal way to enhance your hair color. Easy to prepare and apply. It leaves your hair beautifully vibrant, soft, and healthy. Perfect for at-home use, HenneColor Henna is gentle on your scalp and free of harsh chemicals. Get ready for a stunning, natural glow. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.